Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free LabyMod for cosmetics on Tlauncher. Yup, you heard that right. Free cosmetics to make your character look awesome. Let's jump straight into it. The trick is to use a cool mod called CosmeticsMod. I've already linked it in the description below, so make sure to download it from there. This mod makes it super easy to unlock free LabyMod for cosmetics. Once you've downloaded the file, you'll get a .jar file like this. All you have to do is double-click it to run it. It might take a few seconds to set everything up, but don't worry, it's doing all the magic for you. Now, the next step is to run LabyMod 4. If you've already set up LabyMod 4 on Tlauncher, just go ahead and launch it. If not, don't worry, I've got you covered. Check out my tutorial on how to install and run LabyMod 4 on Tlauncher. It's linked on my channel. And that's it! Once you're in the game, you'll see all the free cosmetics unlocked and ready to use. Just look at how cool these cosmetics are. You can customize your look however you like. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or issues, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new cosmetics. See you in the next one.